Palomino mare, she's about 15'3", 16 hands. Teenager, Blaze. Neck rein, direct rein, Lara. 053, right?
Yeah, 053. Did a really big trot. Big trot.
Yeah, I don't know if you're going to get a canter.
Let's go all the way down to the end.
Back up, baby girl. That way.
Here's a big trot.
Try that way. Don't trot, just ask for a go right into canter. Come around, bring her back, give her as much room as you can. I know she got a big trot. You got to ask for a canter right away. So she's got lots of room. She's big. Good job. Walk, trot, canters.
And back.
Good job, Lara. Good job. She's a nice horse.
Nice breaks too.
Nice break, soft mouth, walk, trot, canter. What a good girl. Comes back to a really nice slow walk. Huh?
053.
053, Palomino mare. Thank you, Lara.